Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video in our series of beginner tutorials for Python. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the for loop. So to get started, let's create a list similarly to how we had in our previous video. We're then going to use the word for, and then we need to give a word. So we're going to take a look at this list and what have we got in it? We've got some numbers. So I'm going to say for numbers in list, hit the colon symbol, hit enter, and now we're going to say what code do we want to run within this for loop. So if I say print numbers and hit run, we'll see that the loop is going to run through this for loop and it's going to output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that's all well and good considering that we have a list to loop through. But what if we wanted to say hello 3 times, for example, but we didn't have this list to use? Well, we can use something called range. So we can say in range 3, and we could just say for I in range 3, print, and then we can say hello. When we hit run, we're going to see hello printed 3 times. Now loops can also be really useful for looping through strings. So say we wanted to loop through the string hello, and then print out each of the letters in that word. If we said for I in hello, or let's change that to letters, or letter in hello, print letter, and hit run, we're going to see that for every letter in the string, we're printing it out. We can also add logic. So we can say that we want to go through our string, and when we find the letter L, we want to let the user know that we found the letter. So what we can do is we can add an if statement in here, and we can say something like if letter is equal to L, put a colon, hit enter and ensure we're tabbed into the correct space. And we can say print, and then we could say found L. And just before we run this, we need to make sure that L is a string because otherwise we're going to be comparing the letter against an undefined variable. So we're going to hit run, and for each time it found L, it printed out found L. So if we were to put in a word like goodbye and hit run, we'd see that this code never actually gets reached because there's no letter L within goodbye. If I said help, for example, you'd see that L is only written out once. And that's it. That's as simple as for loops go. In this video, you've seen a few uses of the for loop, from looping through lists, strings, and even just looping for a number of times that we want to define using range. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please consider giving this video a like, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this video with any friends that might also find this useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.